Hello viewers, today topic is how to change video background in your Android phone in 2024. So first of all, open your CapCut app. So I can install my CapCut app. Search Play Store CapCut app. So you can see this is already installed for my Android phone, but this is update option. So after update, I can open this app. So I can open this app. I can open CapCut app, and you can see I am how to change my videos background in CapCut app. So you can see I am click on the new project. So find my background photo and add this photo. So you can see I am add my background photo and background photo or background video. This is your choice. So choose your video, changing background. Choose your video for change your video background. I can. This video is best. This is my trial video. So you can see I have changed this video background. So you can see add overlay and add your video. You can see click overlay video or video layer and click cutout option and remove background option. Click remove background option and click turn off cutout. So you can see remove my video background and I can select this video size. So you can see adjust my video and you can see I am change my video background. You can see this video interface and video interface and this video white. Sorry for background noise because but this is a bad. So you can see I am end of my video and end of video. So I can adjust my video and adjust my video size. And cut my video. So you can see and adjust your video color grading and video background noise and other editing, but changing your video background. So this method. So thanks for watching this video and like this video. After your video editing, you can save your video in your phone. So you can select this icon and saving start your video, exporting start. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my Creator Tech YouTube channel and share my video for your friends. So Allah Hafiz.